National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Blount County in central Alabama, north central Jefferson County in central Alabama, east central Walker County in central Alabama. This includes the city of Sumiton until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported a tornado. This tornado was located near Sumiton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This remains a tornado emergency situation. The tornado will be near Arkadelphia by 10:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 6 miles north of Kimberly and 8 miles north of Morris by 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Warrior by 10:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time.